So they're just all hanging around, basically.
Today it's Saturday and we are celebrating Pride, World Pride. It's the very first time we actually have this in Amsterdam. It's a very special date because we are also celebrating 25 years of the very first same-sex marriage. So it's a very special date and we are going to participate in the World Pride Walk today. And next Saturday is the Pride Parade. I've always been working on Saturdays, so I never had the chance to experience the Pride Walk. But today I'm gonna do it for the very first time and I am very, very excited. I have some friends here with me. Say hi!
Hi!
And let's see how it turns out. I'm very excited.
Dat is beter.
Dat is een beetje 7 kilo.
Hoeveel?
70
Wat is heel dan?
kilo.
Verloren.
Nee, weeg ik nu.
Wow, the city is always, as always, is very, very busy. Not sure if it's also because of this event that is happening, but it's super crowded. I love it.
Hier gewoon heel snel van.
And here we are. Oh, sorry. Sorry, lieverd. Sorry, lieverd.
Ja, maakt niet uit.
Voor mij. Hotel Rastad opgezien. Precies daar werd op 7 december 1946 COC opgericht. Als er na 5000 aangiften van LHBTIQ+ discriminatie maar een stuk of 5 daders worden veroordeeld. Omdat de mensenrechten van de intersexe kinderen beter beschermd moeten worden, zodat ze zelf kunnen bepalen wie ze zijn. Omdat iedereen op iedere school zichzelf moet kunnen zijn, wie je ook bent en op wie je ook verliefd wordt.
Kijk, meer organisaties bij ook in verschillende landen ook, weet je. Weet je. Ik ken ook niet meer.
So I had to go and buy an umbrella because the sun is so hot that I was just like melting, and now it's so much more comfortable and it's so cool. What is it?
Tomara fique de caminho.
I've never seen so many people together. This is super special. I had never done this before and I am loving it.
God forbid.
Getting ready for next week for Pride Parade.
Porque a mãe vai Daniel é bom você dar umas informações para ele, umas instruções, sabe?
E lá em Portugal, se eu não me engano, tem programa também, não tem? So this walk is going to, I think it's going to end at the Fondo Park. And I'm curious to see if there's anything happening there. But it's quite nice so far. I really enjoy it. In Fondo Park, and it's the end of the walk. I think it was super nice. I thought there was going to be some sort of, I don't know, like a finale here, but apparently not. People are just walking, and I think they're just crossing the park, which is super nice right now. I am loving it. But I think this is the end. Actually, there is something happening here. Look at this. I am ready to go eat something because I am hungry. Happy Pride!